In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a repeating invoice in Xero. This is perfect for subscriptions, retainers, or any customer you bill on a predictable schedule, and it can save you from creating the same invoice over and over again. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. Once you're in, head to the main menu and click Sales. From there, select Invoices. This brings you to your invoicing workspace, where you can see drafts, approved invoices, and more. Look for the option to create a new repeating invoice and click New Repeating Invoice. This opens a template designed specifically for schedules. Next, select the invoice type that fits your needs. Depending on your setup, you may see options to choose the kind of invoice you want to generate on a repeating basis. Pick the one that matches how you usually bill this customer. Now enter the customer contact. Start typing the customer's name and choose the correct contact from your list. This ensures the invoice is addressed to the right account and uses the appropriate defaults, like currency and tax settings, if they're already configured. Add your invoice items or services. You can type a clear description so the customer knows exactly what they're paying for. Then enter the quantity and the price for each line. Double-check any tax rates that apply, and make sure the totals look right before moving on. Set the repeating schedule so Xero knows when to generate each invoice. Choose the start date, the first day you want this schedule to begin. Then set the invoice frequency, such as weekly, monthly, or annually. If there are options for specific days or end-of-month billing, choose what best fits your agreement with the customer. Decide whether to enable automatic approval or sending. Turning on automatic approval moves each generated invoice straight into your workflow without needing manual review. If you also enable automatic sending, Xero will email the invoice to the customer as soon as it's created. If you prefer to review each one first, leave these options off so the invoices arrive as drafts. Before finishing, review the repeating invoice details. Confirm the contact, items, quantities, prices, tax, and the schedule settings. When everything looks good, click Save. To see what you've set up, open the Repeating tab in your Invoices area. Here you can view your automatic invoices, track the next creation date, and keep an eye on active schedules as your billing runs smoothly in the background.